In this module, we're going to look at stoichiometry, and we're going to try to do our stoichiometry using the dimensional analysis or fence method. So stoichiometry in chemistry is a way that we determine how much we can produce or we need in chemical reactions. It is a mathematical way to predict quantities in chemistry. It is a multi-stepped process, but no matter how you do your stoichiometry, you need to start with a balanced equation. In the fence method, there are 3 steps to your fence. First, you need to change your given to moles. Second, you need a mole-to-mole ratio from the balanced equation. Third, you need to change to your desired units. So let's start with a sample problem. In our problem, we're going to change 5 grams of propane in a combustion reaction, and we want to know how much carbon dioxide is produced. First, we need a balanced equation. There is an earlier module on how to produce balanced equations. If you don't know how to do that, you need to consult that module. Balanced equations is as is on the screen. Next, we need to change given to moles. In the problem, our given is 5 grams of propane. So we want to start with the 5 grams of propane, and we want to change that to moles. Now to change that to moles, we have to divide by the molar mass. And again, there's another module on how to figure these out if you need to review them. But that step, divide by molar mass, it changes my initial grams to moles. Now we need to use a mole ratio from the balanced equation. And we're going to start with the moles of our desired substance. So if we read in the problem, that's going to be by the question word where it says how many grams of carbon dioxide. In the balanced equation, we can see that there is a 3 in front of the carbon dioxide in the balanced equation. So I'll place 3 moles of carbon dioxide in the top of the next step of my fence. And we want to look at the moles of given substance. In the problem, we are given 5 grams of propane. In the balanced equation, there is nothing written in front of the propane, so that is an implied 1. So I'm going to place 1 mole of propane in the bottom side of the fence in this step. Now we need to change to our desired units. If we look in the problem, we can see that our desired units are how many grams. We are in moles of carbon dioxide, so the way we change to grams is multiplying by the molar mass of carbon dioxide, and that will give us the complete set of work for this problem. If we look at the problem, we start with grams. The grams cancels in the first step, leaving us moles of propane. Moles of propane cancels in the third step, leaving us in moles of carbon dioxide. Moles of carbon dioxide cancels in the fourth step, leaving us in grams of carbon dioxide. If we do all the math, we should get the value of 14.970746 grams of carbon dioxide. Rounding that to appropriate sig figs from the problem, our answer should be 15.0 grams of carbon dioxide. This is the fence method for stoichiometry, and using this method you should be able to solve any quantity problem that you could encounter in chemistry. Thank you.